I welcome you back to my channel. Today we want to talk about how I make money online importing products from China and some kind of a side hustling. You know why I'm trying to say this? Just because I don't like lazy type. I love people that are very smart. Like, honestly, many people are jobless now. There are many job seekers around. Honestly, many people are just trying to put on their phone in order to just to keep themselves busy, because honestly there are many depressions up and down in the country, especially in Nigeria here or some other part of the countries that have a problem with our economic or whatever. Please, this video is basically for you. All right, I have passed through that situation and I'm trying to do this video in order to help you out. Without wasting much of time, I want to appreciate most of my subscribers. Always, every day, I'm always happy because you are the one that always give me impression to be uploading things like this. Because if you have not been subscribing to my channel, you have not been giving me like and some kind of things like that, I will be depressed. There will be no moral there in order to be doing the kind of video that will help people out. So you that have subscribed to my channel, honestly, I want to appreciate you. I really appreciate. God will bless you. I thank you, all of you. I really appreciate. All right, for new ones here that really, I know you are here because you see that this way, watching this video will help you in order to make money online. Because I want to reveal some secrets for you, how you can make money online and how I've been doing it to make money online. Alright, please, before we move further, if you are very new to my channel, please, I want you to subscribe here. You can see, so let me just give you, for instance, now, this is subscribe. Let me just unsubscribe. You see subscribe button. Please, if you are very new to my channel, you are very new to this channel, just click a subscribe button. Here, you see subscribe here. Give me a like. Why you have to give me a like is just to make me happy. Let me know that what I'm doing is right. So giving me a like, just that one signifies that yes, you are enjoying me. All right, after done that, this is like button. When done that, just click on the subscribe button here. When subscribe, then click on this notification bell here. Click subscribe, click all. Let me tell you why you need to do all these things. It's just because that as I'm uploading this video right now, this will notify many people that have clicked and that have subscribed to my channel and clicked on the notification bell. This will notify every one of them and they'll be watching this video live like this. So it will help you because of my subsequent video uploads. All right, so let's go back to the journey. I know you have done that. I know you have subscribed, you have clicked the notification bell, you have liked my video. I appreciate you. Honestly, one love. I appreciate the effort. I appreciate. So let's move on to how I make money with importation business. Right, this site you are seeing, this is Wish. This is one of the secrets of my success in importation business, because many people will be asking themselves how to go about it. They don't know which product to even bring to the country that can really move and they can make money. I tell you real fact that I used to make money with this, and believe me sincerely, if I can do it, you can also do it. Because I was once a job seeker like you. I am a graduate. I was once in that situation whereby you're looking for a possible way that you're able to survive. So as a hustler, you get me right, as a hustler, you just have to be very smart. Don't lose hope. All right, let's move to the business of today, how to make money online importing some products from outside country. You can see now I've been scrolling since there are many things here. Why I am recommending Wish, it's not only Wish, but for this not to waste time, because I don't want this video to be very long, just short video, and I want it to be meaningful. All right, see this Wish, if you have to install this on your phone. Wish, the app, please install on your phone. Hereby you will be seeing the kind of products, charming product. Let me just use the word charming products that no way, as at times you will hardly believe you can see some of these products around. I'm telling you, you will be even asking yourself if you can see some of these products around. So this app is very good with kind of the product they used to showcase and their stores. So at times I used to do research here to look for products I can import. There are many products here. If you just this wish now, if you just install the app, log into to the app, then be checking different products here. That is just the first of that's just the first action if you want to make money importing goods from China. Like you want to import product that is lucrative, that will easily move. So the next thing to do is, for instance, now let me tell you something. I will please, I am begging you, you have to watch this video to the end. If you really want to get the value of this video, you have to watch it to the end. I will try my possible best to make it faster. Please, I will even rush, or let me say I will fly. All right. So for instance, let me just show you something. Okay, let's move forward. That you can pick any product from here, and so you see price for some of this product here. Now if you go to like this one now, before and after, if you check on some of this product now, or let me say this one, let me use this as instance. This one now, this one, I'm just giving you this one as an instance. Are you getting me? There is no product from here that you cannot sell and make money anywhere, any country. So here now, this product now, I want to buy this product from China. Let me just say, let me check more. I want the one that will bring me actual product. So okay, let me say this one. I want one that will show clearly. Let me say this one now. Okay, let me say this one. Look at this. This is another product entirely. You see now. So this one now, let me just download. Let me download this one. I will save this one on my phone now. So the next thing now, I'm just giving an instance that I want to import this one now, and I've done the product research. There are many ways to do product research, but I am just trying to make this video short as possible as I can. There are many ways. See, you need to, anyway, you just have to start from somewhere. But I will try on my own possible best. For instance, now you have chosen this one. The next thing to do is just to go to some of the sites in China you can import from. For instance, now this is 1688. This is 1688, right? So you click on this icon now. I want to search for this product now. You then click on this one. When clicked on this now, you see now. So you see now, see this product. Let me check the price for you here. So you see now, 3.99 yuan. You can get it 3.99 yuan. And 3.99 yuan now, let's say, let me just check it here. 3.99 yuan. I'm just trying to give you, because you have to do research. Chinese yuan now, that's 3.99. For instance, I'm just trying to give you the Nigerian naira, that is 231 naira. Are you getting me? I'll check Wish now. Wish is selling it at the rate of 1,634 naira. I'm just trying to let you know why we are not buying from Wish. So Wish now, we are just using Wish in order to do product research. At times we use Alibaba, but at times we even buy from Alibaba. Yes, Alibaba used to have some kind of cheaper product as well, especially when it comes to some gadgets. If we want to import some gadgets, Alibaba used to have gadgets that are even cheaper compared to some other e-commerce sites in China. So now let's go back to where we are. For instance, now I want to buy this now, 3.99. And this one even have a 5 yuan for express shipping. Like you want to, the cost of shipping it to your logistics, so they will charge you 5 yuan to this one plus everything. So it's not even up to this 1,634. Not to talk of Nigeria. And let me tell you one some funny thing. On Facebook, on Facebook, if you want to check some secrets on Facebook, let me just go to. Let me check my Facebook, if I can show you something on my Facebook. This is my Facebook, okay? I can search for, if I search for a product now, like if it can come here now. What happened to this picture? Like things hang. Okay, sorry, let me just close the picture. Okay, so let me go back. Sorry. This is just giving me kind of. So if you come here now, search, click on search here. This search button now. Just click on anything here. Let's say any product, like search for any product from this place now. Any product you search from this place now, it will display this particular product, and you see some people that are selling the same products. But what I want you to know is that some of them are selling these products at the rate of, our conversion to naira now is how much? Is let me say 231 naira. Some people will be selling this product at the rate of 9,000 naira, at the rate of 5,000 naira, at the rate of 7,000 naira. Are you getting what I'm saying? So check that profit margin. It's just so insane, but it's just so insane. I don't know what I can even use to qualify it. Let me give, for instance, now I will show you one of my secrets here. Let me just show you one of my secrets here. I have many sites. I have many sites I use to promote my goods. For instance, I own this site. You can see this thing. What I'm selling in this site is BP tea. That's hypertension tea. You can see my phone number here. You can see my name. This is my site I'm using to sell BP tea, hypertension tea. Honestly, I can't just say it out. What I've made from this place, I have made a lot of money from here. Even let me say recurrent earning from this tea, because like I have many customers now that they will just come in. Hey, Mr. Sheyi, Alpha, please, I need that tea again. The one I'm using is almost finished now. Please, can you send it? So I have many of them. So you don't need to depend on some kind of e-commerce store. You can bring product in and run Facebook adverts to promote it. So you don't need to wait till when you are now showcasing your product with some of this either GG or Jumia. I'm talking of Nigeria one. So if you want to make crazy profit, you just have to. If you want to make crazy profit, this is form now. If you want to buy from my store now, this is form now. And look at this now. 2 packs, that's 15,000 naira. 3 packs, 25,000 naira. 4 packs, 30,000 naira. For this now. So if you buy 2 packs, that's 15,000 naira. If I tell you the price I bought this thing. Let me just show you this tea, hypertension tea. I bought it from China. Let me just show you now, because like I like something practical. Let me just show you how much I got this from China. I want to search for it. This. Let me just quickly search for this. Hypertension tea. Okay, hypertension tea. Let me just check this one first. I know I got it per pack. I got it less than 5. I got it less than 5. You can see 500 naira. This is 12 yen. 12 yuan now. 12 yuan now to, let's say 12 yuan. Let's say 12 now multiplied by 70. Let's say 70. That's 840. This store is even expensive, because when I bought my own, the store, I don't want this video to be very long. The store I used then, I got it less than 500 naira when I bought this. And the person that used to supply me now on a regular basis, they used to supply this for me at the rate of, let me say, 400 naira per pack, and I used to sell it at the rate of 9,000 naira per pack. But if you buy 2 now, I can change it for you now to say per 1 is 7,000 plus, because if you buy 2 now, say 2 is 15,000 naira. So this is how we are making money with importation. There are things you can bring in. Why I'm talking about this is because it's very light. It's a lightweight product. See, there are many things you need to understand with importation. You cannot just be bringing things enter any. There are things you can't be bringing in when you are just starting importation business. Are you getting what I'm saying? You have to start with a kind of lightweight products There are some products you shouldn't even try to bring. We are starting importation for the very first time, and because you see that some of us are making a lot of money with importation business now, and you think you want to just come in on your own, you want to use your own personal brain to do it without somebody that will mentor you, for you to invest in yourself to learn it, you may likely run into problem. So there are products that you need to bring in, and once you bring those products in, you will make a lot of products. And one of the way to, in order to help yourself with this importation, is try to learn it. It's not by magic that some of us are doing this business and making money from it. It's not by magic. We have invested in ourselves in order to learn this thing. We have invested in ourselves. We have invested in our brain in order to make sure we acquire knowledge on this thing. So you need somebody that will mentor you so that you will not have problem with importation. There are a lot of money with importation, but yet you need somebody that will serve as your role model, somebody that will mentor you. Why you need somebody that will mentor you? Because of experience that most of us have passed through. Some of our mistakes now, we will not want somebody that is just coming to fall into that particular problem. So I am urging you, before you go into importation business, make sure you acquire the right knowledge about it. Seek for knowledge. I have many students from different parts of the countries. So you have opportunity. If you want me to train you about importation business, check the description to this video. Check the description below now. You will see the link to my class there. So you will see the details of the training and many more things. Many more. Honestly, many more. Because I have students from many countries, including United States of America, UK. You will see many of them. So I am urging you, it's not compulsory, because this hand is not equal. As I've seen it's not equal. So some people don't have money and they want to learn this thing. Fine. Take your time. Read through. Possible thing you can learn, read through. Make sure you read through and acquire the right knowledge you can within your own power. And possibly seek for anybody you know maybe is near you and they are into it. I used to tell people, if you don't have money, like financially you are not buoyant, don't just do it to know your own that you want to import. You need somebody that will open up and explain every secret with importation. You need somebody that will hold you by hands and walk you through all the stages of importation till you make it. So that's why I'm saying, I'm just telling you this, that you just have to choose your mentor or role model, someone that will help you through. If you want to choose me, just check the description below and enroll to the class. If you don't have money for the training, please seek for someone around you that can help you with it. Are you getting me? And God will help you and bless all of us, all our hustles. Amen. Bye. I love you. Please, before you go, subscribe to my channel. Click like if you really like this video. Click like on this video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. You then select all so as to be notified for the subsequent videos like this, or valuable videos like this. And if you have questions, you have things you want to ask me about importation, or about this video in particular, just send me a message. You can see this comment. You see comments box below. Write a comment. Let me know how you feel with this. I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you. I love you. Bye bye.